What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kira TV. How are you guys doing? Well, going on a go long with. So this is a repost. Everybody who been watching, no. If you're watching already and if like you know watch it, that's okay. I understand. You're not gonna watch it, we watch already. People are commenting and saying we are doing repost. I got over 1,000 new subscribers. Nobody now gonna really go back watch a movie. So me I repost it, but then watch it. So then after I go back we're done to look for movies, right? And every time I post a new movie, every time I repost these old movies, I get new subscribers also. So that's the reason why I've been keep on I repost the movie them so people can continue watching and so we can get some more new subscribers. Meanwhile, until we figure out what we are gonna do over here. So anyways, big up on yourself and keep safe. And if you are new, well, hi, welcome to the family. Subscribe and continue watching. New contents coming soon. Big up on yourself.
Beautiful, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You look very elegant in that beautiful dress though.
Thank you.
Can I come out there so now we can go over here so we can have a decent talk now. So where are you from?
I'm from around here. What about you?
I have been living here and there. Most likely I'm outside the parish.
So which parish are you mostly?
I'm mostly from Montego Bay, but now and then I come up here, come visit my little brother.
Okay, that's nice. Well, I'm coming from work and these shoes are a little bit hectic, so I would like to go home and take them off.
Oh, okay, can I follow you home?
I would love to, but where I live, the people are very inquisitive.
Okay, can I have your number so I can text you sometime?
Sure, I'd love to.
Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day and take care of yourself. It's nice to meet you.
From the see here, I'm not even take out my shoes yet. Yeah.
So how things are going with you now, sis?
Boy, you know, so everything good though, but work stressful bad.
Sis, I don't know how you do it, you know. You work and you do business. I don't know you manage to do it.
Why? Me don't know no. Me just a try stop me no. Because they know say one hand can't clap. So I just a try to see if me can put food on my table.
Sis, I don't know you do it, you know, because right now, I look at job, you know, and I do an online clothing store. I don't know how to balance it.
Boy, you have to just try and balance it out, you know, because that's what we all see, you know. Things are get very expensive and tough. So you have to just try to do your thing and balance off your thing, yeah, man.
Sis, thank you for the word of advice. Now you really encourage me to do my business. Anyways, me I can try go man now. You do rain or fall.
So where you go? And I can't stay with me?
Girl, but I stay with you now, but I not even have charger for my phone or no clothes at all. So I can't stay down here.
But where you go? Even my drawers and everything on my wear can't fit you. Come on, I could go in.
Yes, good evening. My name is Shavy Brown and I'm calling from Lalsu Estate. Am I speaking Keisha Brown? Yes, I just want to say congratulations, you have won a sale of 9.5 million US and a brand new Mercedes. Yes, how are you feeling? Yes, I know you're feeling great. But there's a small problem. You have to send a small fee to make sure that he's the correct person. Is that okay? Yes, it's nothing much. Just 80,000 US. Is that okay? Yes. So do you have Cash App? No, you don't have that. You know Western Union? Yes.
Wicked man, Chris.
Yes, as I said, the name is Shavy Brown. Yes, Shavy Brown. Yes. Yes. As I said, I want to send the money to Western Union. Is that okay? 80,000 US? Yes. So I'm gonna call you and I'm gonna give you the name and everything. I'm gonna call you back. Give me 5 seconds. I'm gonna type in a couple of things on my computer. And I'm gonna get back to you, okay? Alright. Brother, I 80,000 US in that. BMW just a foot. BMW, brand new BMW. But you don't know, you want money, you collect money for me like, can you do that?
Without a doubt, brother. Of course, I can collect that. I want to pay man with these.
Yes, do you have a pen and paper? I need to get a pen and paper. Yes, so that is Shavy, X-A-V-I. Yes, Shavy Brown, B-R-O-W-N, Brown, Portland. Is that okay? Yes. So the sooner you send the money, the better for you, okay? All right. So I just send the money, send me the referral number. Yes. And then you get your prize, okay? Is that okay? All right, thanks. Chop, she get chop. Chop, she get chop.
Yeah, brother. But anyway, still, and that I come to talk to you about you. Why you don't say the think me in love doing now?
You find love? You find love? How I go on now? Talk to me.
Yeah, brother. I tell you, me I walk one day where I'm saying, "Ah, sexy piece."
Chum,
Yo, me just have to stop my head and just give her a few words, you see me? You know, I get the number, so I just start bringing her up on a little date.
That is it, bro.
Yes, my God.
That is it.
I see where everything go from there, so see if we can fall in love. Probably
Fall in love. You bigger than that thing, but you know say you love it, boy. I don't part that thing. She get a DM my thing there, bro.
Brother, you gonna kill you, brother.
I'm here older than you. I'm here older than you.
Exactly what you.
But what do you right thing? See what I say?
I right thing to do, man.
What you may say now? See that money there? Or you collect it for me? Today. You see what I say? You collect it, dog. Bra for come on. You see it? You say Joshie party.
Yeah, brother, you don't know the thing.
My thing here. But just do the thing for me.
Yeah, man, I collect that I make it get you. You see me? No
Right
say a word.
I take anything, you see it?
Alright, cool.
Chop, we get chop.
not quite it. Let's have a conversation first.
Time. I really enjoyed myself and I wish we can do this again sometimes.
Well, I also had a nice time and I hope
Thank you very much, darling.
I'm going to press the iron shirt for your guy work. Babes, you know what I love you doing?
How do you want now?
You know, I want to send some others do for some lipstick or I sell.
Oh, yes, man, babes, just looking at my wallet, man, you see backyard them. Anyone you want, me have Scotia, NCB, and Jane, and Credit Union. So just take out one and make you a code for it.
Alright, babes, I'm going to take it and make you get it back later when I finish using it.
Alright, darling. My baby, that's some camera for you. We've never left no matter why. No.
Bye, babes. I never cheat for you. You give me nice and good.
Tell you, say, when you actually back one, I tell you one next you, I swear.
Why? No, my little love.
Alright, now we can meet, you know. How that man?
Wicked man, Chris, you know?
No, babes, I'm going to put on some clothes.
They bought, man. What you say? How that? Gun, man.
What are you doing, wicked man?
Things solid?
Everything good, man.
Nice time.
Proud, man.
What you doing here, bossy? Your wife there, though?
Yeah.
Evening, mum. Evening, mum. Evening.
What's it? Yo, brother. Wifey that tonight, you see me? She that wifey, meet brother. Brother, meet wifey. Introduce myself.
Hi, I'm someone, sir.
Wicked man, Chris. There. Come here, stay. Man, nice. See that? See that boy want go in the eat.
Trouble. Come here, man. Go back here, you know?
wanna get ready? You don't want the place like you know? You wanna get ready, Lovey House?
Oh, I get ready.
Me, person, you supposed to feel me.
What? What? Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. That's all I say. Stop, 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 stop. Pam Pam, come taste it. Let me see if it tastes nice. Come give me a piece now. Come taste and see if it tastes nice. Come tell what it tastes like. Give me a piece. Tam Tam, and piece.
You want something to eat? You don't want something to eat?
And I'm some. Tam Tam.
You might talk, you don't want something to eat? You don't want my iron shirt?
Bang. Bang.
Why problem? You not talk to me, you change, you got work with crush up shirt, you come in late. Why problem? Just explain to me, come in and understand, you know.
By me change. Relationship not spicy again. You come in here, hot tasting, you know. You see me? You want you have thick like caramel porridge now. But right now, you just turn one big pot of soup, mama. You think there's water down. You know, see that? Look on you.
So what happened to me? Me not see nothing wrong with me.
What you mean by nothing wrong with you? You don't even look in yourself now, mirror. Mama, you gain pound like a England you live. I want to you, man. You come in here slim and trim and nice and sexy. Be a lingerie, be a latest thing you have. Right now, look for your night you have and look where you are when you go to bed. Look for your bingo jars you have and what that? Man, that no look good, that can't look good, no time at all. See, me have sex and just be a mama and papa. Nothing, no spice up, nothing, no food now go there, so no dress and no ground. Can't manage them something, man. Them something there for all people, man. People who are married and settled long, mama. Relationship still hot, you know, man. We still have a lot to learn, you know. You see me? You have to learn to adapt and try new things. Me I introduce something to you, you don't want to do it. See, lingerie in Nigeria right now can't be, but take them up, you don't put on none at all. It can't look good. It can't look good. Unless you have an next one out there, you want to bring up that either, you know, man.
Fine, me get why I say yes. But what time I done their business?
6 o'clock. I ain't come in till 9, 10 o'clock. When you come in, you don't even eat. You must eat already or something. But when you come in, you never want to pay me no mind. So how you expect me to react and behave?
What you mean by? Anytime I come home and eat your food not taste good. I just don't want to tell you nothing, you know. Your food don't taste good, mama. You need to learn to cook, that I want. And every single day at this bread, at this egg and bread. Me tell egg and bread. You see? So me have to go somewhere else, go eat, go with my friend them drink, and when I come home I just want to sleep. So I come home I just sleep. No, I ain't not talking with them, no, I ain't not dealings with them. If you're not going to change to satisfy my needs, it's not going to make no sense.
So what me feel about that? If you're not showing no interest, what me supposed to do? Me I push out my all and you not give me nothing in return. What me for do?
At that we don't know, woman, now. Because we've been together for so long. I've been showing you interest straight through non-stop. It's because of you. Because of you the interest stop all of a sudden. You're not spicy up nothing again, mama. Look for you. You want to come to America and look for yourself? Yourself wouldn't be impressed with yourself. What the fuck? Yo, I'm not chatting with you, you see me? Just come to work. People book their appointment, we have reach on time, to take them picture and thing. Just make sure see how you change your attitude, you change your personality, or else you're not going to work out.
Girl, you can't come look for me. Cause you know say me I'm plugging and work out too good and you just need to come look for me, man, cause I'm going for something to tell you. I'm just stressed out right now. I don't even know what to do. Alright.
Sam!
Oi! May I come? Well, may I come? Come on, I'm going to tell you what I'm going.
So what I know?
Take a seat, so we'll see the answer. So before I start talk about myself, what I want for you? How young things are going?
Girl, but come here to talk about you. Cause sound like you're troubled today. Look at your face don't even look pleasant.
Boy, you know say, me and Shavin now going good again. Because I don't know what happened, you know, but yes, when me and him just start talk, everything that goes so good and nice and he treat me like a queen. But now, him don't even seem like he's interested in me no more. I don't even know what to say or what to do. Because when I try to talk, him cuss and say, oh, me have been nagging. So I don't know what to say to him again, I swear.
So what could I really cause that though? Why not try to spice up a relationship and see if that really cause a problem? Like go in at night time, put up like a candle and put on your sexy lingerie, and when he come in, they just greet him with it. And probably change up things and spice, you know, if I want to go back to the old ways.
Well, girl, I don't know, but I'll give it a try again. Because I seriously need to do something about this.
Try it and let me know what I want with it. They ask me how things and things are going alright with the business and so forth. So I like the business that I do so far and things are work out alright.
I'm glad to hear some things that work out for you. I'm going to try what you say and see what I'm going to do. But I'm going to try to work out things.
Alright, try and let me know what going with it and let me know. Anyways, I can go book and so forth. So go on, follow me go to the road. Later, Tom Tom. Come on.
Wicked man, Chris, you know?
Go
Wagwan.
Yeah, no, we might go in there.
No, say, kind of work.
I'm say I come check. So I go and feel make you look so today.
Boy, no bag of things are going to come let me tell you that.
So try go down there. So talk to me now. Where you say go on?
Boy, you know, so me and Shabby not go and go do.
So you say go on. Talk to me. You listen.
Boy, I don't know, you know, but from when him start talk, everything just change.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, stand up. Spin over. Right. Jesus Christ. But me show you a vibe still, you hear me say no. Body up and everything, but you see your clothes you have on. Cut it, is it?
Boy, I'm not saying wrong with the clothes when I wear. You like your body before, so you know what I'm doing. Boy, it was a long time, me and Shabby not do nothing.
What you having on my bed, brother? What we let you know here, boy? Yo, how are you and my brother going in there with?
Me and Brandon in here are going with.
You mean by you're in here do not have me seat torn up on the bed naked?
Me and Brandon never in here are going.
You mean, if you give me bun, put
Why? Murder!
if you give me bun, I want you. Yo, I actually never know you, man.
Why?
I actually know you.
Hello, good evening. Good evening. Hi, I am Kira. What is your name?
I am Samantha.
Nice to meet you, Samantha. I want your face right there, so.
Boy, you know, so I start my start off, I step them with you and lick up my face.
Samantha, you see before I write that place, yeah? I check out all I house them. I wish part you and your fiance or I don't know what, which part you no live, no step there in that house. So tell me, I want to talk. What really happened to your face? Open up beat him and beat you and ask nothing about you know.
No, sir, I don't know like that. Him not put him hand for me, him love me, not put him hand for me.
Listen to me. I have been there. Bruise on my face, bruise on my neck, my hand squeeze up. And I normally just tell people say, I drop off a step. I know say, I have a boyfriend, I love him. My son and have one baby together. I understand that. But you can't sit down in this situation. It's wrong. You understand what I say to you? And I forget what I say. I dead, me nearly dead, you know. You know, I want my family member they save me, you know. And God make me there so right now. And that can't happen to you too. So here what you do. Get out of that situation before it get worse. You understand?
Alright, may I tell you the truth? Please don't tell nobody, not tell the police now. Please, me beg, because I don't want him getting in trouble.
Alright.
You know, for what they might beat me up though. And I just take it and slam because I love him and I don't want him to go to prison, so I just have to take it.
You know something, but anyways, here one. See next time you see her, I'm taking over. I'm going to have my phone down. Get out of that situation. Here, and nice meeting you. I'm not taking advice.
Yo, go in the kitchen and get some water for my brain cup now.
See water here.
What kind of water this you come give man? You don't know sir, ice water I drink and it's a tap water. My brother alone drink tap water now. Where you do man?
No, make him throw the water upon me.
What you mean, eh? Tell me nice, yo. Nobody tell me nice. Look at the bed, man. I want you, man. Tell me nice, yo. Nobody tell me nice. Look at the bed, man. I want you, man.
Hello? Detective Mark. Yeah, man, I care this. You know what I said, though? I do over my yard and I hear my neighbor over there. A beating woman. Right, which part I live. Normally, I always hear her, but guess what? When I time to talk to her, and she says she don't want no police involved. But just because me and your friend, I want you to just forward. We show you how we went to your forward. Alright.
Eh? How you call?
Yeah, Detective Makina man. Yo, lift this.
How that? So how that knock on the door?
Yo, I'm here, go on in.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man, let tell me no phone. Hear me I say. Let me properly introduce myself. You see me? Right now, Mr. Maka talk to you. You see me? Detective Mak. I'm going to get a call, so you have sincerely female like her. What you tell me, say, go on?
No, brother. She just want you some period cramp, brother. See how they can ask her. Now do I nothing at all.
Yo, talk to me. Oh, go on. Talk to me. Yo.
From week, he might beat me from week. Me tired of it. No, me tired of him. Me seriously done.
Yo. You hear what go on?
Me?
No, man, no tell me no.
Me?
Yo, hear me
No,
I say, man,
brother.
me get the call. You can't tell me no phone. So here go on, man. Me go take you down my place. You see me? So what's your name, sir?
Sure.
What up, man? Come on, man. Go carry me someone. Come here. Yo, come on.
Me who?
Look here, you have to come out, you know. How you make me never go to jail. You have to come out here.
So what do you mean by me have to come out? I don't understand what you say.
You make me never go to jail. You need to come out here, give me the key and come out here.
I don't have no photo.
Oh, you mean you not have no phone? You never go away, so you not have no phone when you make me never go to jail. Come out.
Mommy, did your baby? Bye-bye.
Thank you. Go on, man. Go on.
Well, those were the good old times, you know, sis. Was fun and all. But so, anyways, tell me what go on with it now.
Why? A bag of things going on. But me still there what going still. Why? You know say Shabby did a change though. I'm asleep with him, brother.
What go on? How was it? Let me ask her that first before me ask her why.
Why, girl? It was good enough. It was good. But me tell you the reason why it won. You know, saying that change, I did not pay me no money anymore because me say, oh, I'm not dressed good, I'm not sexy, I'm not look appealing to him no more. So, you know, me just feel stressed out and something. So, me just go look small if I vent to, and then it just happened and me just relieve look stress.
Me not tell you lie, no, sis. You do look all of them clothes there, no? Look like grandma back in the days. Jano, but I did look clothes that I used to wear still. But how you manage to sit down up there and make the man beat you?
Why, you know, he never beat me at first. He never yet put him hand on me until after me do some. I know it's my fault, you know. I know it's me because I like it. But why? I just want them time there, man.
Boy, sis, the sex was good, but the lick did hot. But still, sis, you should talk to somebody about it, you know.
Boy, girl, but they tell me neighbor, you know. But come to think of it, you know, say, it come like, I'm a neighbor call the police. Because when him got beat me the time there, I take the lift, and then 2 to 3 years, police come and knock on the door. And then them come lock him up. I mean, I wonder to myself, oh, the police them get to find out about that. Say, come on. I say, you know, say me, I think me suspect the neighbor of calling the police.
Well, sis, the neighbor right soon, because I'm sure that kill you over there. If you didn't come, but I help you beat him, but John was star. So I go still. The best thing happening, you know, is that in the prison house, I won't lick you again. So That best thing can happen.
Boy, girl, I miss him, you know. But anyways, guess what? The other day, I up there, and the baby lied in our house. Me hear the door bam bam bam. I saw who that she set prices on me. When I go out there, I'm auntie. So I come out time house and give her the key. So I just bother in and out about long talking with them, you know. So I just pack up my 2 little things and just give them the key and leave. I go back to my own yard.
Well, sis, a good thing that you're independent here from day one. That you strive, said with sis. But still, come on, go walk, go there now. You would never believe what me just say. You would never believe me there out the door wash my clothes them, you know. And guess who me see pass? Your ex-man. He come out of prison, you know. My God.
Jesus Christ.
He left prison.
Jesus Christ. So what me I go do now? Me not forget pack up and run way?
Sis, me I go tell you, you know, because more than pay your P and your Q, so me know where you run where go. Just make sure you have a little knife in your house. Anytime you see man, him come to you, you know. He just run you up in him, you know. So don't worry about that boy runway. He can't touch you. Am I there? No, sir.
Boy, girl, I don't know what me I go do. You have to come up and stay with me, no girl. Because I don't want him to do me nothing. I'm afraid I'm girl. Please, me I beg you come stay with me. Please.
You know what I'm going to do now, sis? Me go up a yard now, you know. Me I take up every wet clothes and carry them now. You can hang up. Because me I stay with them, look. Anytime he come down, me eye up on him. But afraid of who? Not afraid of no man.
Boy, I'm glad I can't stay with me, no, because I'm afraid I'm bad and I don't want him to come down and can't do me nothing.
Sis, stop worrying yourself, man. From me there, nobody can trouble you. You have to run me knife up in them. Come, man. Sure, me I go up here for your clothes. I'm not coming in, man.
Morning. Samantha, you know, I want to have a small radio. Is it okay?
How are you? How are you, Samantha?
Me, man, a wicked man, Chris. You know? I'm going to know me, sir.
That's my Shavi brother.
Oh! So are you? But the cause to make my sister be able father beat her, you know? You not even going to check on her as much as you know, say, her baby father catch her in a bed with you.
You like talk loud? I know you may come to see you. She may come to talk to find out where really going. Because I hear little things like I come to contact to her. You have a problem with that?
Yes, me have a problem with that.
Cherry, calm down. Chris, come inside.
You carry the boy in here, you want? Alright.
What me you say, go on?
You say after we go on, your brother beat me up wicked. One of them even nearly killed me. A neighbor for call police and police come feel.
Yeah. That really go on? So when they know? Come here, call me and get him, you know.
You know, say, in the got prison feet though. Because after, in that beat me up on the neighbor here and call the police and police they come film and something. They got prison and him auntie even come and run me out of the house with the baby.
When answer my question. So when they know? No. Come here, call him and I get him, brother. Me even go down at the yard and I call him, I'm still not hear him. So when they know?
Boy, I don't know when they know, you know. I don't know when they at the moment. But me hear say, he get let out. That's why my sister come and stay with me. Because I tell her I'm afraid and something. Because I don't think people can beat me off, you know. So that's why she behave so overprotective. Because you know your brother, she never know the amount of liquid your brother did give me. I can't go back through that again.
I them think they boy really are going with. Watch all the eye. Fat up see him with your mama. Yeah, no. But you want to know? I make a phone call because I don't have to chat in a car. Afraid that the boy there too in a car. Boy, I look a snake on that style, you know. I mean, you have to pick out him all him feather. You see what I say? But don't worry yourself, man.
Are you your brother, you know? So you fit talk to him. Tell him to not come near me. Because if he come near me, my sister I have to deal with him. You know? I'm not want him and my sister in nothing. So talk to your brother.
Don't worry yourself, mama. You're not safe hands, you know. Because I want phone call with everything. You see it all over my brother. But I don't want them boy that beat him, man. Because I don't believe in them things. You see it? I go in the corner still now all over. For me, it's fault to make everything happen, brother. I'm sorry about that still. You see what I say? So I have to go hold him down and see if I can give him a proper talk. You see it? I'm stubborn youth, you know, but he does something. What married, you know, you see what I say?
Well, and it's your fault, you know, and my fault because I miss seduce and thing, you know. I love Shafi, you know, I love him, but why? Go sit down and take all of them people there. So I just want you to talk to him, for me, tell him to come near me, not to come around me, because I know him and my sister, you know, because my sister, we plan to stab him up, you know, I don't want Shafi to do that.
Your father, you say kind of thing that you already? So where you there? Alright, come on, we link, you see it, pick up yourself, you see it?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah man, I'm far, I'm up here.
Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good with me. As we can see, well, you're out of that situation. Man, that I come to you about, and I really want to tell you thanks for everything. Because if I never for you, probably more than that today. Girl, no problem, man. You know, so I did have to look out for you. I couldn't make him kill you. And I hear him over there and murder you about for help. And I know, so I not to tell no police, but I did have one like detective friend and I did have to squeeze him. I hope you not have no problem with that. Even though you look alright now, you look good and thing. Oh, everything with your daughter. Well, everything good, you know. But I don't have no problem still. Because I'm still grateful for what you do for me. I don't have no problem with that. I'm just grateful and want to let thanks you. My daughter alright and thing. Everything I go good. Everything back on track and everything. So, man, we talk another time. I go on the road, you know. I just, my shoes need to fix. So, alright. Can I walk with you? So, different from that door. You work also now? Yes. And how old is your daughter now? She's 4 now, you know. Or really,
Samantha!
Who that?
Mean by who that? Look at the man.
how are you doing?
What you mean when I do ya? Some data I come look for.
What do you mean by data? Which data you talk about?
The same pitney we have together. What you mean by which pitney? Your daughter, my daughter, she me come to see me, not come to see you.
Come out of me and go about your business, yeah? Your daughter, matter of fact, your daughter don't even there here and she don't even want to see you, so go back which part you come from.
Oi! Come out of me and Oi! Where are you? Where you are doing? Where are you?
Oh, hear me I say, man. Nobody joke me. I want to tell man, who you? I come to see my daughter. My daughter I come see for me. I come to see you nor your sister.
Which daughter?
By which daughter?
You know your daughter down there. Let's place, man. Let's place. Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Where you go? Amaya. See Amaya. See Amaya. Catch him. Make me catch the boy there. Oh, go if me catch the boy there. I don't know how one in me there, no. You should make me catch him. See if me not broke his head today. You should make me catch that boy. You would understand what me I go down to him. I swear. You should make me catch him.
That's how me get it
on my body.
That's how me get it, am I know?
Me said the boy can't run, you see? Me must book him again, you know. He must come back here. I'm one there because I go broke him board. Me not want that little boy, you know. I can't even talk to that if he's an idiot there, you know.
Why? You know, say, income and me not really talk to him, no income. And I asked him that, I'm telling him that on a day. And he come police. I'm glad I come and see him. I get free. When I tell me I prefer run and go in the house, go lock up. Because I never want him come in and come beat me up, you know. But I'm glad you come.
Mommy never grew no fool, you know. You should take something and seal night. You have to seal your run, go back here, you should do it. Mommy never grew no idiot here. So I can't believe I make a man stand up out there and man angle you. I can't believe me are related. You sit down and make man angle you. Me need to teach you how to fight, you know. Because I don't know how you want so soft. Me can't be brother, sister.
Say sister, I just come from a dirty girl yard, Samantha, you know. Go look for my daughter, you know. And the little girl tell me, say, yo, how my daughter not did it. Get me upset and vexed and cross, you know. Feel lucky, you know.
Samantha? Pitney? Only and Samantha? How you have Pitney and me never know that?
Yeah, I did have my girlfriend for about 1 year. I had now we left, you know, because of the altercation we have. I have one daughter also. You know, I come in and see my brother in a bed.
With brother?
Of course, of course.
But you and Chris was so closer than me and you two are close.
Me I tell you, yo, me and this man go through so much together. This man a chop a line. And me I tell you, me I got union go collect the man money. Me I risk my own life for got prison for the man. Much less talking about prison. You see all the girl Samantha. I tell you, after not tell her, you know, me kind of ill treat her, come the kind of fix because, you know, she have an affair with my brother. Now I tell her, me give her a few buff here and there. She called police for me. Me up got prison for 2 years. I'm just a touch back road. You see me? Touch back road now and see how me I go look for my daughter now from Samantha. When me grew on there now, Samantha did it. Me see her, what's for my daughter there? She come tell me, say, yo, alright, my daughter in day and blah, 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 till me and her mouth start meet. When me look now, at the sister that come and poke man in a man back. You see me? So me have to ease him off. And then Samantha now run, come out now and give him hammer. So me have to take myself still, you see me? Because I don't know, me can't take a hammer.
Brother, I sympathize with you and everything, but me, you're not supposed to take it out on that. One to Chris, you can't take it out on Chris too. You shouldn't take it out on she. Woman never grow with some man fist to fist with your brother. As bad as how things be, him should have be loyal to you. No expect loyalty from girl out the road. Your brother supposed to be loyal to you. What kind of mentality that man? What parents them never raised with, sir? Ever see daddy and mommy say yet?
No, sir.
So where you get that from?
Oh, you do you understand, you know? Yo, you see when you have your hall and take you up and just give one woman, and the woman could be behind your back, especially with your brother. You see me? And go cheat. You wouldn't understand the pain. I tell you right now, I would have second thoughts to even show if daughter even mine. I understand what I say, because she cheat once. All me know how long she do it. Seeing she probably do it again. You see me? So, you know. Yo, it's just a lot to take in, you know. When a man have anger in him, a build up and thing, you see me? I'm going to want some to take you out pan. And the worst I go there if you take you up pan. I'm not going to take you up on my little daughter. So I just have to just take you up pan she.
You know, so I'm going to talk to Samantha though. Where she live?
Yeah, man, you need to talk to her for you know.
Yes, who is you?
Good evening, I am Shavi's sister, Poppin. Can I come inside?
Why you want to come in? Matter of fact, sure, come on inside.
No reason for the attitude, you know. I just want to talk to you. I can come in and sit down and talk?
Yeah, sure, come on.
So let me formally introduce myself. I am Poppin. I am Shavi's sister, as I said before. I am not from here, you know, I just come back. I see him, tell me, he told have a little altercation in regards to his daughter, which I didn't know he had. So I took the initiative to come and, you know, find out what really go wrong.
Well, me and Shavi did it for 1 year. Things that go good until things just start go bad. And I make a mistake. I'm after that mistake then. But after that one, he just start beat me. One day I almost kill me. I'm a little fast neighbor. here and go call police. And because I never do call police for him, I catch him. I love him and something, I never do call no police. And police come and lock him up, and then couple months after, his auntie, I don't know who is the auntie. The auntie come and run to me to pack up my things and leave. So I just come back here so. And then, so you know, when people go through certain stress and something, then go through depression and then I learn at school and something, so I just send my daughter to get a breeze out, coming and want she go through like past stress.
Oh boy, so how old is the child?
My daughter 4 years old. She in a good hands, you know, she don't watch with my auntie. But if you want to see her, I would have just make sure come up for her like 1 week and you can get to see her and send her back down.
Why? Myself hear all of that. You know, so that's so parents then growing, I mean, I understand like what would that trigger him feel like, you know, start doing certain things like that. But you know, so many of forgot what I look out, you know, a good reasoning for just say, you know, what the problem and what everything, you know, stem from.
But you know, see your brother really nice though. Cause it's when I meet him, I just meet him, the way he approach me, the way he put himself together and everything is just nice, it just attract me. And me give me number. I don't normally give people my number just so easy, you know. Me have at least know if I at least have 1, 3, 4 weeks before me give my number. But the way he just come to me, he just attract me, me just give me number at the same time.
Bad bro, what go on? Stop going someone, you go on like you don't want to chat to me someone. Easy yourself man. From how you may try to call the dog and answer your phone man. I'm to you brother. Brother left that alone man. You could misunderstanding that brother. What you think of my youth? No, brother. Why I don't know what me no brother. Mom just seduce me and then when I look brother, I just in a bed with her in a dog. So I don't know what me go wrong in a father. You be there for men's dog, you see? Come give me a link the dog. Forward man and stop going like that. Yeah man, check in. Ah, me debo.
Yeah, where you come for that? What you have to say? What you have to say to me?
Bad chap, easy yourself man. Just not like how me here live brother. That me I try to show you that. I don't like my style of that. You see me I say?
What do you mean by how we live, my youth? You have sexual intercourse with my girlfriend, brother.
Bad chap, what you see, I don't really want me still. You see me I say that? I know what you think about me. You see me I say, I don't know if you tell you what going on, but nothing like that not going on. You see me I say, father?
Brother, at 2 years, I in prison for 2 years, brother. I just come out because of she. See, you make me abuse my girlfriend. You understand what I say? Come to prison, I go look for her. Me and her even have a two conversation like that. Understand? So if nothing go on, you have to tell me what really happened.
Watch your father. If you know say they're prison brother, in the face, I would have link a long time dog. Maybe not call your phone brother, I want if I ignore you, I ignore me no brother. I did them, I say yo, I never want to do what would I be there. I say yo, I gear a bad page, you see it? I'm go to boom some link her, she tell me say yo, you got jail and them things. But me never do them things the father. You know me a man, me hide off I radar, because me and the monk of them not really on good terms. That's why I say that I have to keep me thing low key. But me I come here yard, me I call you, you please lock up on everything, brother. Nobody now give me the information about you, brother. You see me I say, you know, you don't know, say, if me don't know, say, you this, dog, I just one phone call you come out, dog. Stop going as a father, man. Stop doing the things, brother. As I say, my youth, so my time when you want to seduce, brother, and like I can help it, father. And by the time I go to booms, you see come in the room, brother. So we want me to do my youth. Stop and read. And me know you're a man ignorant, brother. Me know me have to catch up, father. Just have to take with myself here. You see it?
Then, brother, if the girl tries to seduce you, my youth, understand me I say? You should be the first one come link me and say, brother, you know, say, yo, your woman do this or your woman do that to you, my youth. Make me give it go ahead to say, alright, if I can't do it, I do it. And so I say, but you go behind my back, mate, and do it my home favor, trust you, brother. Yes, to the point, it seems like, say, yo, she wrong. You understand? But my youth still go behind back, my youth. You understand what I say, brother? You go behind back and do that. See? 2 years on the link me. 2 years. Because I'm in prison for 2 years. See? And if you ask people or go back to Samantha, you'll find out say prison me because she sent me to prison. You understand? So 2 years, brother, you never link me. So why you come link me right now? After 2 years, you come and tell me that story, yeah?
Let me tell you this, dog. Watch your style and your father. If me never do it, somebody else would do it. You see me, I say, brother, what you are going on? After I go up here, I say, I come check in. Because I say, if you collect a piece of food to me, you see it? So I go to the boom and I say, alright, I'll check you. When I reach up, you know, I see like she has screw up and something, you see it? So I say, oh, she said, me for come in. I never go in the house and come. I like the idea of coming in the house when you're not there. So anyways, I go in there, I'm in the dog and she said, me for come in the room. Me in the room, and I sit down on the bed and she say, yo, you know, have sex with her and them thing, they like, you turn off and her them thing. So I say, yo, no, my brother and them thing. And then when I love them, do something, and then I say,
a man, so I go take it. But anyway, still, tweet me and you. You bad, don't.
Never lie.
See him way over.
Oh, I'm going to go watch you, man. I'm here, man. Come in, man.
Samantha! Yo, Samantha!
Jesus Christ, you again, where you want, Shavi? Where you want?
What do you mean by what I want? I want to see my daughter, I come look for see. What do you mean by what I want? I need to see my daughter.
I tell you, say your daughter don't dare here. She don't dare here. Where you want? And tell yourself, leave me, leave me place. Go on and leave me alone. No, you're done. Your daughter don't dare. Your matter of fact, I don't know where you're still there. So go on and leave me alone, man. Where you go? Where you coming here?
Stop nice. Right here, stop nice.
Murder! Why?
Shavi! Shavi, get up! Get up!
Come on.
Shavi! Jesus Christ! Shavi! Papi, no, we Shavi! Lord Jesus Christ, I've got help with this and I'm just come and make. Why me have to go back tonight? Me then find out about this. Me can't go back on the plane, brother. Jesus Christ, so we go cover this up, Jesus. My God, what we are gonna do? Just kill your brother, just kill your brother. What we are gonna do?
Samantha! Somebody finally kill it!
Hey! You bed the backside! Yeah, lad. Hey, go cover this up before somebody see you. What we are gonna do?
No worry about it, man. Go for a piece of shit. I know what to do with it. You bugger. Long on short catch. I didn't want to kill myself, but somebody do it. Walk this backside, eh?
See shit.
Come, give me shit. We wrap this up and bury this and dash this and gully. This not deserve a even burial. Come now, sister. Come help me now.
Me kill my brother.
What you do with me? Come. It's either you go to prison or you take it for everything in the car. My sister now go to prison for you. Come. Me say come. Lady. Come help me. Leave me body. No one. Come, sister. Listen. Come. Start through. Come. Run over. Come on. Give me a call. Never leave. No worry. want the two of you go in, take off the clothes them wanna have. Beard. And burn the clothes them wanna have now. You see after you burn the clothes them, you beard and go back on the road and make sure you have an alibi. You say what you need it in this time period. Two of you go in now and start beard and burn the clothes them now. Burn the tomato say.
Suppose we do somebody find we go take it. What we have to do?
Nobody hear you? Nobody see you?
No.
Then what you worrying about? When I deal with the thing already, stop worrying. At now man see him brother come there. So sis, so we are here for dinner.
What am I going now?
Morning.
What you want to do here?
But you can't chat to you, man. You know, we don't
I
like
don't like
you.
you.
Wanna stop the argument, no man. Walk on.
There's never story like beard.
No.
Him she looking about me now, my dear. Back to us, you know. When I see my brother, I mean I call him, I'm not get him, I'm not here for him, you know. You don't see him.
So I don't see your brother.
You know, say something not right though, because we're there, he can check me, you know. I mean, and him drive go up a Keisha war up there, you know. And we up there drink and chill and something. You see it, and he say him come up here, come look for him daughter again, because you know, make him see him daughter. And then find that I not hear from him, and he's supposed to go you know, collect a piece of money for me, so I don't know what going on.
But I look like he must run with the money come, I don't know what going on.
My money?
So you must go look to your brother, yeah, because you know, you see your brother, they have for that from us, you know, say, my brother not in any business, run, may go down with that something and he beat me up.
I don't think he would have done that still, you know. I don't think he could have run them joke with me, because I know say my head plug out already, you know, so he could have never put my money, you know, you see what I say? Boy, I don't know, something does not connect, brother. Something just not connect, brother, because the man good, you know, so the man does, oh man, really.
You know me don't like a drunk brother, so your brother would on the road so. Your brother don't live here, so don't come around here, come look for your brother. Your drunk brother run where the money go away. If you see your brother smarty.
One thing we do, you know, realize you like chatting, you know. You see if me did there, would have treated like dog, you know, come to tell you what I do in the rain, make rain fall for you, know. Oh man, you don't leave your place, yeah?
Alright. Yeah, you did them, me tired by house.
You chat too much.
Me don't like you, no boy.
Hello? You know what I have something to tell you though?
Yeah.
You know what I see one fat girl, shabby baby mother, and shabby baby mother sister. Wrap up your brother body and carry go dump over the cemetery.
Liar.
Shh. You never hear from me though. Have a nice day.
You see, nobody no find out about nothing. You see, we're free and I live life.
Bro, I don't start shooting, bro, because see everything just work out. Nobody don't know nothing, everything just have one good.
Yeah.